Last video, we learned how to use Relay. Relay is using a join code to send to your friend, and your friend must enter this join code to join in your game room. But you cannot send the code to someone you don't know online. So this video, we learn about lobby. That people you don't know can join your game without join code. Nowadays, most of online games use lobby, because it is easy to reconnect player if they are disconnected from game. With one node only, they can reconnect automatically. It can transfer host to next client. When host is disconnected, all other clients will reconnect to this new host. Let's learn how to use lobby today. In video 1, we created player controller that's using netcode. This is all events how to move players. In video 2, we used Relay to connect players anywhere from the world. This is all events with Relay. We don't use them in this video, so you can disable the Relay manager or delete it. Now we create new empty object with name lobby manager. Create new visual scripting script. Name it with any names you want. Now open macro netcode package we installed in video 1. And open macro lobby. Open use lobby to see how to use it. First, it requires we must install plugin netcode and put prefab macro netcode into hierarchy, and require to install plugin Relay and lobby too. In video 1, we installed all plugins already. Netcode, Relay and lobby. We added prefab macro netcode and macro relay into hierarchy already. Now add prefab macro lobby to hierarchy to use it too. Let's prepare some buttons to use in our tutorial. Create button sign in lobby. Change its text to sign in. We will not use old buttons of Relay anymore, so I will group and disable them. Next, create more buttons for create lobby or create game room. Button join lobby. Button leave. And this one is important, button lock lobby. If you don't lock lobby, other people will join your room while game is playing. And players cannot reconnect the game if they disconnected, if you don't lock it. Now open lobby manager to add button click events for all buttons. Use on pointer down for button click down. Input this is button that is clicked on. Let's add button sign in lobby into. Do the same to add all others buttons. Open use lobby to see what to do. Step 1, we need to sign in to start service lobby. They are marked with number step by step, so you can find it easily. You can use any one of these sign in that you already knew them in Relay video. I will use this one for this tutorial. Open lobby manager script. Add it after button sign in. I living in US West, so I will choose to host my game in this location. After sign in successfully, this one will be triggered. Let's show some message to our game screen. We already have a text object to show any messages to screen. Message, already signed in lobby. Press play to test it. It worked. In step 2, we should check if player is disconnected from last game or not, to reconnect him back to the game. It will take many steps to do it, so I will skip it and do it later. So our next step, we should do create lobby or a game room, because we don't have any game room available right now for others to join. We have event to create a new lobby or game room here. Copy it. After button create lobby, we will create new lobby. There are many options here for a lobby or a game room. You can set max number of players can join your game, password, or set it private to not show it in searching. And these search options, to limit level or ranks of player can join your game. You can set name of game mode here, is free to join, or this is ranks games. There are many easy examples how to set the matching here. It is so super easy to do, so I will skip it. If you don't want to use this search option, just set it -1 as the default. I will limit people who has level from 5 to 10 only can join my game room. After lobby or game room is created successfully, this will be triggered. Let's print out a message to screen. Lobby is created. Press play to test it. After signed in, create lobby. Lobby is created successfully. After lobby is created, it will start host automatically, and it will automatically reactivate our lobby to keep it alive. Otherwise this lobby will be deleted after 30 seconds by Unity server. To join in a lobby or connect to a game, first, we need to search all available lobbies that player can join. We have event to search available lobbies here. Copy it. We will do it after click button join lobby. First option is max number of lobbies you can get after searching. And you can add option filters to match your game mode. We created a game room to limit player that has level 5 to 10 can join only. So make sure your level must be from 5 to 10. After searching is done, this will be triggered, and you will receive a list of available lobbies that you can join for now. Compare the result to see if you can find any games you can join or not. If number of lobbies is less than 0, so no game rooms are found. If the result greater than 0, there are some lobbies you can join. You can select to join in any of these lobbies. Let's add the list of available lobbies into our event to pick it easier. After have a list of lobbies and games you can join, let's use this event to join in a lobby. Or you can choose this one with password if you want. Paste it here. Input will be a lobby item that you can get it from the list of available lobbies here. Each item from the list is a lobby. Let's join in a random lobby or the first lobby from the list. You can join in a lobby with its lobby ID too. This time, let's use this event to join in our lobby. And you can get a lobby ID with this event. There are a lot of information you can get from a lobby, but we need only lobby ID for now. Let's copy to these events. Open Lobby Manager again. Replace it with our new Join in event. and add the lobby ID that you want to join in. If player joined in a lobby and game successfully, let's show a message to a screen. Player has joined in a room. If a player joined in your hosting game, let's tell host to know it. Copy event on client connected. Paste it into. If any client is joined, this event will trigger. We need another event to know if it is a host or player 2 is joined in. If this event is triggered on host device, it means player 2 is joined in. Now let's build the game to see the result. On editor, sign in lobby. Then create new lobby for others to join. And on another device, we sign in too. Then press button join lobby to join any lobby or game room. Player 2 has joined in a game room successfully. It will start client automatically to connect to host. Game can be played immediately, because we didn't change anything in player controller script. Lobby is easy to use to connect games with people over the world. This is all events we just made. Let's convert them to use only one button, to create lobby and auto join also. When player clicks button join, if don't have any lobbies or games, let's make him to create new lobby automatically. You can delete button create lobby for now. I will replace it with a custom event to look it better. Delete button create lobby or disable it. We don't need it now. I will change text of button join to auto join. You can remove button sign in as well. We can do sign in it at on start. Now we have an auto-join system as other popular games. When game is started, it will sign in lobby. And when you press button auto-join, it will create new lobby if you don't have any lobbies yet. On another device, auto-join will join into any lobby he can find. This is how auto-join system works in most of games. Very easy to make it right? After all people are joined in your lobby already, you need to lock lobby to stop other people cannot join anymore. We gonna use this event to lock it. Copy. Open our script. Let's put it bottom of the script. After clicking button lock lobby, we will lock it. Make sure check this to lock on the lobby. After lobby is locked, output done will be triggered. Show a message lobby is locked. Build to test it. Create new lobby. After that, click button lock lobby to lock it. Now nobody can join this room anymore. On another device, click auto join. It will create a new lobby because it cannot join our locked lobby. Create a button to get the information of current lobby. I will call it button get lobby. Click event for button get lobby. Whenever a player joined in or has left, the lobby will be updated. You must use this event to get the newest information of that lobby. This event will have all information that you need. Paste it into. We need to add the current lobby ID to get its information. Now when the button is pressed, you can get any information you need. Let's check how many members have joined in and their player IDs. And how many available slots have left. After creating new lobby, press button to get lobby information. This is my player ID, and we set up with max players as 4. So available slots now is 3. Open another device, click auto join. Player 2 has joined in. Let's check again our lobby information. We have 2 player IDs now. While the game is playing, player 2 or player 3 is suddenly disconnected due to no internet or some reasons. So we need to reconnect them back to the game. We just need to call lobby reconnect, it will auto reconnect him. We have events to do it here. This one to check if player is disconnected from last game, and this one to reconnect him back to the game. As the instruction, we should check it before doing search lobbies. If we clicked on button auto join, now it will check if player is disconnected from last game first. If no reconnect issue was found, just do search lobbies and join in normally. If reconnection is true, we need to reconnect player back to his game. This event will reconnect player back automatically. If successful, this will trigger. And if failed, just keep going back to search lobbies and join in. Build and test it. First, create a lobby. Then get another player to join in. Before start the game or be able to do reconnect, you must lock lobby. While the lobby is locked, if player 2 is disconnected, you can check the lobby to see he was disconnected from the lobby, but player 2 was back to the game. If he clicked on auto join button, it will automatically reconnect him back, because the game is still being played and host is still there. You can easily reconnect client with one click only. To leave complete a lobby and disconnect with host, we will use event lobby, leave. Open our script. Paste it here. Create button click for button leave lobby. When button is clicked, player will quit the current lobby completely. And no ways to reconnect back after you clicked on this button. Because player is not disconnected, he leaves it. Build to test it. First, create a lobby and another player to join in. Check the lobby to make sure we have 2 players currently. If player clicked on button leave lobby to quit, he will be removed from the lobby. Reconnect client is very easy. How about if host is disconnected? Watch again on event create lobby. We have option, can host reconnect? If it has value false, when host is disconnected, all clients will be kicked out of the room also, and game will be ended. Let's test it. Create a lobby and become the host. A client will be joined in. Lock the lobby to start the game. But when the game is started, host has left or disconnected. As you see here, all clients will be kicked out of the game too. Now at lobby create, select can host reconnect is true. When host is disconnected, it will automatically select client 2, will be the new host. All other clients will be reconnect to this new host, automatically also. Open use Unity lobby. When host left or disconnected, we will know when the new host is transferred. Host left, this event will be triggered. If you select, can host reconnect is true. Output picking new host will be triggered to tell you no it is transferring new host. And make sure your current lobby is locked. Copy it. Open our script. Make sure you turned on can host reconnect. Now if host is quit or disconnected, it will pick the next client to be a new host. Show message to tell that we are transferring new host. After client become a new host successfully, this will be triggered. All other clients will reconnect to this new host as client. In some reasons, if failed to transferring new host, or failed to reconnect, output on quit will be triggered. So the game should be ended now and back to main menu. You can show some message. Your enemy is surrendered, and you win. Most of multiplayer games they did this. All done. These everything you will do in multiplayer game for a lobby. You always can find an example script inside folder macro Unity lobby. You can copy exactly all the script if you want. It will work immediately. Build the game to see our final result. First, create a new lobby. Next, get client to join in. Show message to know how many members in lobby currently. It has 2 players right now. I will get 1 more player from another PC to join in. You can export game to your phone to test it as a 3rd player. The 3rd player has joined in. Check how many members in lobby currently. We have 3 players right now. On host device, press lock lobby to be able to do host reconnect. And if host is quit or disconnected, another client will take over as a new host. All other clients will reconnect to this new host. Transfer successfully. If old host was back to game, he can reconnect to the game as a client. You understand how everything works now. In next video, we will do the same lobby in Steam with 100% free bandwidth. Thank you and see you in next tutorial.